When you have a lot of information to display in your dashboard, and a limited amount of space in which to display it, the dynamic visibility feature in dashboards enables you to make components visible or hidden based on user selection. In this tutorial, you will set up your dashboard with summary and detail views. Note that this tutorial assumes you already know how to display data in charts, and change the data displayed in a dashboard using selectors. Note that this tutorial was recorded using SAP Business Objects Dashboards 4.0, Build 14.0.0.760. To navigate, use the viewer controls or follow the on-screen instructions, if available. The dashboard currently contains 4 components: a column chart that shows summary data for all regions, a line chart that shows detailed data for a single region, a set of radio buttons that lets users change which region is displayed in the line chart, and a label-based menu to allow users to toggle between summary and detail views. Before setting up dynamic visibility for the first 3 components, review the setup for the menu selector. Double-click the label-based menu component. Click Labels. Note that the label names are Summary and Detail. Click OK. Click to scroll down. Note that the menu is set up to copy the labels into cell A1, based on user selection. Now change the properties of each of the other components to make them dynamically visible based on which label is selected. This involves setting 2 values, the status and the key. The status is the location in the embedded spreadsheet that the component looks at to determine if it should be visible. The key is the value that must be in that cell for it to be visible. In this tutorial, the status for all components is cell A1. For the column chart, the key is the summary label. For the line chart and radio buttons, the key is the detail label. First, configure the column chart. Select column chart 1. Click Behavior. Click to scroll down. Click the button to the right of the status text box. The cell is already selected. Click OK. Click in the key text box. Enter the key and repeat the process for the line chart and radio buttons. Type Summary, and then select Line Chart 1 in the object browser. Click Behavior. Click to scroll down. Click the button to the right of the status text box. Click OK. Click in the key text box. Type Detail, and then select Radio button 1 in the object browser. Click Behavior. Click to scroll down. Click the button to the right of the status text box. Click OK. Click in the key text box. Type Detail, and then click Close. Finally, preview your dashboard and test that the dynamic visibility is set up correctly. Click Preview. Note that only the column chart is visible when Summary is selected. Click Detail. Note that the radio buttons and line chart are visible when Detail is selected. Choose the Europe option. Click Summary. Click Preview again to return to the workspace. You have successfully set up dynamic visibility for your components, so they are visible or hidden based on user selection. This is the end of the tutorial.